welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to go ahead to introduce the products on my right hand, the cocktail sinks. And we can see these units and we can take a look at the measurements first. And these units will be about like a 1 feet wide and 29 inches deep and 33 inches tall. So the unit is NSF approved, and also they have a big filters. This one, you can put inside of the unit, can leak the water out, and they have a drain connections at the bottoms. You can connect with a switch the connections. And that's what will be the all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.